आ अंगूर। आ से अंगूर। आ से आम। आ से आम। बा से बस्ता। बा से बस्ता। पा से पंखा। पा से पंखा। ता से तरबूज। ता से तरबूज। टा से टमाटर। टा से टमाटर। सा से समर। सा से समर। A is for apple. A apple. B is for ball. Ball. C is for cat. Cat. D is for dog. Dog. E is for elephant. Elephant. F is for frog. Frog. G is for guitar. Guitar. H is for hat. Hat. I is for igloo. Igloo. J is for jump. Jump. K is for kangaroo. Kangaroo. L is for lion. Lion. M is for monkey. Monkey. N is for nurse. Nurse. O is for octopus. Octopus. P is for panda. Panda. Q is for queen. Queen. R is for rocket. Rocket. S is for snake. Snake. T is for train. Train. U is for umbrella. Umbrella. V is for violin. Violin. W for watch. Watch. X is for xylophone. Xylophone. Y is for yellow. Yellow. Z is for zebra. Zebra.
Next is बच्चों cookware name. So let's start. Plate. Spoon. Bowl. Fry pan. Fork. Chopping board. Knife. Glass. Cup. Tray. Grater. Strainer. Peeler. नेक्स्ट इज प्यारे क्यूट से मेरे बच्चों याद करेंगे फ्रूट्स नेम, बेसिक फ्रूट्स नेम. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. एप्पल. मैंगो. बनाना. ग्रेप्स. पाइनएप्पल. guava. cherry. pear. watermelon, watermelon, melon, melon. Now next is animal name. So repeat and write with me. Cat, cat, cow, cow, God, God, dog, dog, camel, camel, duck, duck, horse, horse, rabbit, rabbit, giraffe, giraffe, cook, cock, cock, sheep, sheep, elephant, elephant, lion, lion, tiger, tiger.